Hey guys, welcome again to my channel, and today's video I'm going to do a get ready with me. This one is a different one because I'm going to do or recreate a video from the recent Vogue Get Ready With Me with Emily RATAJKOWSKI. Like what I've said earlier, ang ganda ng technique niya, simple lang, but I think it can be followed by everyone. So these are her video.
Date night. We're gonna have fun. Alright, my skin's been prepped. I've washed it.
So I'm going to follow her techniques, but I cannot, some of the products that she used, wala siya sa collection ko, but I'll try to make it the same, yung mga shade and everything. So let's do.
I'm pretty tan right now.
So ang ginamit na lang is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation.
I tend to go a little bit darker and we'll also use some bronzer. So here we go.
Okay. So she used her hands using the foundation. She never used any brush. So we are going to do is use my one and only Clinique Super Balance Makeup Tint, and I'm just going to use my hands. So before, when I do my makeup, gamit ako ng sponge, and yeah, since iba tong video na to, we are going to recreate a different one. So since gaya-gaya tayo, we are going to, nice ko talaga yung hair ko, but we are going to use our hands to do it. Okay. Oh shit! Ang dami kong nalagay. Pero sige, okay lang. So, ang ginawa niya is, ginamit lang niya yung hands niya. Ayan. Nakita niya ang daming pula sa mga, ano ko, sa mukha. So, ayan. Spread out yung product. Pero, sige. Tapos parang feeling ko putik. Hindi ko alam, siguro dahil nasa CR tayo or what. Pero yan. So, yan na. Ang ating foundation. Yan natin siya. Next is...
That's my foundation, that's my base. What you're going to see is I'm going to come back to that just to blend everything a little bit at the end. Next thing I do is eyebrows. We have maybe
gagamit siya ng eyebrow gel. But if you can notice that medyo bushy na yung eyebrow niya na opposite sa akin. Alam naman natin nun. So what she uses is the Maybelline Lash Gel. Eyebrow gel.
So most of my eyebrows are brushed out. To me, there's nothing.
Wala tayo nun, but we're going to use this Maybelline 24-hour color matcher in the shade dark brown. Wala na to sa Maybelline, but sometimes I use this if I wanted something bushy in my eyebrow. So, yan. Ano natin siya? Ang hirap kasi, ay, wala akong salamin. Medyo makapal na. Somehow, okay naman. Okay. Next is, ano ba yung next one? Cream highlighter muna. So, meron tayong cream highlighter. So, I'm going to use this Sephora Luminizer to Go. So, I like this one. Muna, naglagay muna siya dito. Ayan. First time kong maglagay ng highlighter muna bago yung blush. So, maganda yung technique niya, somehow. Then, naglagay siya dito. Naglagay din siya dito. So, dami natin. Okay. So next is
a nude stick by Mary Phillips.
So she's using a blush naman. It's a cream blush. She's using a nude stick.
Makeup artist do my makeup.
So we are going to use this Pixie by Petra in shade Multi-Balm Soft Strawberry. So paano siya maglagay ng blush?
A little bit on the nose too.
Ilalagay din siya sa nose.
Trick to really make it
And then more,
sun. That's where the sun is.
medyo
I also put my blush a little bit higher.
Higher.
Than
So gaya natin dun. Which typically I use it so yan. Gusto na talaga yung mga cream blushes. Okay. Okay. So, naglagay siya dito. Okay. Okay. Go. Sun kiss. Okay, what's next is it's 5 minutes.
Because again, I think it makes it look a little bit more natural. So I almost bring it up to like the under eye. You can see already how much like more alive I look, I would say. Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. I don't use a ton of it. I just like to use.
Okay, she's using the Charlotte Tilbury
brush.
bronze. Mag-bronzer siya sa mukha. Powder yung ginamit niya. So, meron tayo bronzer.
So, bring in the forehead because there's nothing worse than
Forehead tsaka banda dito.
Everything got blended together.
Okay. So, we are going to use my NYX matte bronzer with a fluffy brush. I really like this one. This is from Ever Bilena. So, just to make it. Naglagay siya sa forehead. You know, I really like bronze because it makes you sun kiss. Yeah. Yeah. So
my base, the only thing that I'm going to do now is to just continue to like layer foundation or concealer.
So baliktad.
The coverage you want. So after I done the blush.
After the blush and the bronze, she put the concealer.
Under the eye, because the more you layer and blend, the better it looks. See how?
Okay, so we're going to copy that. Concealer yung pinaka last step niya. And she just used her hands. Let's see. Gawin na natin yun. Okay. Hindi ako sanay na concealer yung date na nilalagay. Kasi siniset pa natin tong concealer eh. Yun. Siguro kasi maganda na siya. Yun. So, naglagay na tayo ng concealer. Okay. Next is, tignan natin kung magsiset siya ng...
So now we're gonna do...
Okay, hindi siya nag-set ng powder sa concealer.
So I actually put this
Siyempre makikris to.
My day-to-day, I'll just use this
So,
one.
she's going to use an eyeshadow from MAC.
Wiper.
So, dark brown yung ginamit niya.
Just go in the crease.
We do have that. I'm going to use my Tarte palette. Just in the crease. We are going to use this Dreamer. And, so, wala lang. Kasi nga, medyo night. yung peg niya. So,
as much as I really love makeup artists and I respect them so much, I do think that there's something to be said for like knowing your own face. It's the face I wake up with and go to sleep with. I've learned what works well on me. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go the same color and just go under. And this is another trick that I learned. A lot of people like to highlight the inside of their eye, but I actually think it looks better and makes your eyes look bigger when you bring it all the way around. I love this Anastasia highlight.
okay, so what the next thing she do is that the same shade ang ginamit niya, but she put it on the below and so tapos hindi, so usually kasi light yung ginagamit natin, pero sa kanya she put that one. Oh, she's going to use a mascara and I'm going to use my Givenchy. I really like this one. Hindi siya gumamit ng eyelash curler. Diretso na siya mascara. Makes difference, diba? So using a lip liner. Then lip liner. This one is a MAC Spice.
I don't know why I'm gonna say like right there and right here. Then I use Marc Jacobs J'adore, but I don't use a lot. So you can see, I just use that. Then
okay, we have the same shade, wala ako nun, but this one is in Makeup Forever in the shade N9. So hindi niya ginagamit yung whole, I mean, doon yung ginamit. So dito lang tayo. I really like this shade because it's one of my favorite nude at all.
Top that all off.
Okay.
I use Pat McGrath's incredible Lips Gold lip gloss. I posted this on Instagram, like just a selfie of me wearing this, and I got so many DMs.
So we don't have the same lip gloss, but I do have the Revlon in the shade Shine City. Hindi ko alam kung available pa ito, pero matagal ito. But it has also the same, it's like a glitter stuff. So, yan siya. Basta madami. I really like this one, but the problem is medyo malakit or sticky. So, ingat lang tayo sa lip gloss.
This one, this light's pretty good.
Okay, that's it. That's it. This is the look that I recreate from RATAJKOWSKI Fan Meet Date Night look. I'm not sure kung happy ako about the technique, but everything is that I guess hindi lang ako sanay na hindi iset yung concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm not sure what kind of concealer she used. Before, sabi nila kapag tart shape, hindi siya pwedeng, hindi na kailangan iset. But for me, since I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me, kailangan ko siyang iset later. So this, all my look for today, and I'm really inspired to do this one. Ang dali lang ng technique na I think everyone can do it. And simple lang, konti lang yung mga ginamit, just like eyebrow color and everything. So maybe I'll be using her technique or the way she used her get ready with me on an everyday basis, except that I'm just going to set my under eye with a powder kasi medyo oily yung T-zone ko. So, yeah, that's it. This is my look for today, and I hope to see you on my next video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!